My name is Musa Fall, and students call me Dr. Fall. So my master class is exploring West African society and culture. And my intent was to explore those West African society through music, food, history, and culture. There's a tendency putting everybody in the same boat. When we talk about West Africa, people think that it's just one big entity. Yes, it's a one big geographic entity, but it's a very, very different in terms of the religion, the way of life, the type of society, the language that they're speaking. It's completely different from a country to another, despite the fact that you have some countries that share a lot of similarity. Students, they are free to pick a topic or a country that's part of their interest and do some research. And at the end, they all present like a PowerPoint where they explore the problem, educate us in those issues, and come up with some solution, about how to address those issues. Master class, it's very helpful and very interesting. It allows students to break some stereotype, but also it enables them to see the difference. When we talk about West Africa, it's just like when you take in the Midwest, or you say the East Coast, the Northeast. It's very diverse. So it's enables students to see the other side, have a different perspective. And also the fact that it's hands-on, it's fit into the NA experimental mission of education. Kids did not know anything about West Africa, just like other massacre. So this is something very experimental.